Hello and welcome to Gain Triple Defense for Safe Network Change. In this workshop, we will ensure safe and effective network changes with robust protection before, during, and after your change. This workshop is going to be about ensuring safe and effective network changes with robust protection before, during, and after every change. Because let's face it, nobody has really perfected network changes in today's networking world. So how can we reduce human errors and how can we streamline the network change process? Well, let's go through the before, during, and after you can find in this specific workshop. So the before change is going to be all about golden rule verification, impact analysis. Is this a go or a no-go? How can I go into my network environment, scale, and actually see, do we have any pre-existing violations against that specific device and that device's configuration that could cause any potential problems in my environment? Or do I have any particular violations that could potentially cause issues elsewhere in my network environment due to the results of this change? So really ensuring that everything is good to go and looks fine and really enforcing a diligent pre-check, right? We want to make sure that we're doing our pre and post checks as diligently as possible. So this is going to enforce that. So let's go ahead and put that back into our network change. So after we've done that, we set up that really great before change, we can now accelerate our change itself. So how do we do this? We could do this multiple ways. The one way is kind of the most basic. We know with NetBrain, we're able to run changes at scale. So run, multiple changes on multiple devices simultaneously. Instead of logging into each device and running that CLI for each and every device, we can do that with this network change. And we can predefine our rollback steps, right? So this is something we'll be able to cover in the workshop as well. So accelerator changes, understand if I need to roll back, can I do it as quickly as possible to reduce and minimize the amount of network impact? And lastly, but certainly not least, how can we enforce this change? So how can we capture the output of the change? Can we run comparables? Can we run checks? So can we run a post-diagnosis check across for our change, which we've done here and capture it into this dashboard using our AI bot. Now you can also share these dashboards as well using our read-only share functionality, which would be great if we do have scenarios where we do have to roll back or there is some kind of network problem due to the change itself. You have this read-only option dashboard that you could share with upper management. Make sure you check out our other workshops to see what else is new in Release 12.